Okay, what was that?
We're going to wait. I'll check the place. Give me seconds, bro.
Okay.
Oh, here in Prince Albert.
Oh,
There's we're going to Prince Albert. The name of the league is Urban Soul Series Open Tournament for this league. So we're R.A. Dural,
is it?
Paul Redondo,
Oh,
and
oh,
Mario Bonleon,
is
That's
all
our
all
teammate.
Filipino?
Huh?
All Filipino?
No, we have 2 import and all Filipino. 2 import and all
Oh, the
Filipino.
one says Jerome Bungabong.
Yeah. Because I remember, I talked to Jerome, Jerome, I said, I want to get Peter because Peter is a good player. So, and I have one guy, white guy, which I don't know his name. But I need two only import. Then the rest is Filipino. But all is selected here in Edmonton.
Is it okay to play there? Because I play a lot of pro league.
Huh?
I played already in a pro league. Are they gonna allow me to play on your team?
You have a team there or no?
Sorry?
Sorry? What?
I'm playing on the pro league. Are they gonna
Yeah,
allow
no,
me on your team?
Yeah. It's open. It's open, bro. Lot of what do you call that? Lot of varsity in that league.
All right then, I'll play in your team.
Wow, thank you, bro. Wow. So what's your height again, Peter? I forgot your height. You're 6'7", right?
Yeah, 6'7".
Yeah. I remember you dunked in the we go in Calgary before. I saw you.
Oh, you see my
you dunked and
highlights?
dunked.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
embarrassing.
Yeah, I saw your. I remember before because we go in Edmonton with the Berlu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
you know
Count
the-
on me. Count on me.
Peter,
Yo,
can you send your Facebook so I can add you in your Facebook?
I don't have Facebook.
Oh, you don't have?
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Peter.
What's up? Do you have
What's
WhatsApp?
I don't have WhatsApp, but wait, I'm going to give your number to my one of my players so we can
Who is
what do you
it?
call that? So they can talk to you, okay?
Who?
OJ.
Oh.
He's the coach.
Okay.
I'm only the
Can-
manager.
Can we do video call so I can see you?
Okay. Peter,
Yo, you calling?
did you see me or no?
Just a sec. I'll answer.
Ang pangit na mo, visit ka.
What the fuck?
Kala ko Peter nahanap namin
What the fuck? Hindi mo nalata yung boses. Hindi mo nalata yung boses ko, pre. Ang hirap nagiging Indian accent ako eh. What the fuck?
Pre, tangin ng tropa. Nag-back out walang iya
No,
Asa
bro.
ka?
Sa bahay, langya ka. Napag-priman mo. Tangina.
Tangin ng Jerome nito, Peter
Siya. Tawagan mo si Jerome. Sige, pre.